This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22MLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 1 inch in length and features a Hearthstone interior, sleeps 4, air conditioning, spare tire kit, TV antenna, slide-out, self-contained, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, external shower, skylight, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22MLE is 5,374 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.